Guys, please avoid signing up for Exness directly from the app because many people said it often gives errors. So today I'm going to show you how the right steps from registration all the way to using the Exness app for trading. Hi, I'm the Forex guy, and on this channel I share a lot of Forex contents. Make sure to hit that subscribe button first, alright? Now let's get into it. For registration and account verification, it's better to do it through the official Exness website. That way your account will be ready to use without any errors. You can find Exness official website on Google, or to make it easier, I've already put the link in the description. Just click that link to register. Then click the register button. Fill in country, email, then password. The password must be a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click partner code and fill in with the code UU1IRT34. UU1IRT34. This is for you become my client. I give a lot of facilities to my clients, guys, such as free trading consultation, trading signals, rebate bonus, and many more. Reach me on Instagram at udforex and tell me which service you want. Later we will talk further there. After all the data here is filled in, click continue. When you see a pop-up like this, click real account. The next step is account verification. Usually there will be a comment to complete the profile like this after you register. Just click it if you see this. Click complete profile. But if you don't find that comment, you can access it from here. Click the three lines on the top left. Click settings, then click profile. There you will see verification status. Scroll down and click complete now. Click the start now button to complete verification. Make sure until you upload your identity card, guys, because if you haven't done it, you cannot withdraw your profit later. Once you finish uploading your ID card, then you can move to the Exness app. Download it from the Play Store or App Store by searching for Exness. Now I'm already inside the Exness app. The home screen looks like this. Tap sign in, then enter the email and password you use when registering on the website, and hit sign in. Here is your account number. To start trading, make a deposit by tapping the deposit button. Then choose your preferred payment method. Deposits and withdrawals on Exness are super fast. Usually it only takes a minute. Next is the trade menu. It shows a list of the trading pairs available on Exness. There are hundreds of them. With that many pairs, you'll always find trading opportunities every single day. You can also filter them by category. As you can see, there are so many categories. That's why Exness is one of the best multi-asset brokers. Then we have the insights menu. Everything here is about market analysis. You will find trading signals to help decide whether to buy or sell certain assets, and also an economic calendar. Super useful, no need to open any third-party apps because everything's already here in one place. Next up is performance, which summarizes the overall performance of your trading accounts. The last one is profile. In this menu, you can find the referral program, also known as the IP or introducing broker program. By joining as an IP with Exness, you can earn unlimited commissions and even get special rewards if your performance is good. I've made a separate video all about the Exness IP program. If you're curious and want to learn more, make sure to watch that video later on. Exness really cares about its clients. They offer various support options like the support hub, open a ticket, or live chat. So don't worry if you ever face issues because the Exness team is available 24/7 to help you. If you want to start trading on the Exness app, it starts from the account menu. You'll see all your running positions under the open, pending orders under pending, and closed trades under closed. When you want to withdraw your profits, just tap withdraw near your account number. Then choose the method you prefer. Alright, now let's practice making a trade. Near your account, click the trade button. At first, the chart will appear as a line chart. I recommend switching it to candles. Just tap this icon, then choose candles. You'll also see 1M here. That's the time frame, meaning how long each candlestick takes to form. Pick your favorite one. For example, 30 minutes. The next icon lets you add indicators. For example, if I want to add Bollinger Band, just tap it and it will appear on the chart. You can also add more by tapping more indicators. Then, Trading View. Tap the FX icon to add indicator. Let's type Bollinger, tap it and it's instantly added to the chart. What I like about trading on Exness app is that it has so many useful tools. One of them is the trading calculator. You can use it to estimate your potential profit or loss before entering a trade. To open a position, it's simple. Set your lot size first, then choose whether to buy or sell. Like I said earlier, your open orders will show under open. To set stop loss or take profit, just tap the running order and input your desired price. You will immediately see how much you could profit or lose if the price reaches those levels. To close a trade, swipe left on the open order and tap close, or tap the order and hit close order. And that's how you use the Exness trading app. From registration to actually using it for trading. Was everything clear, guys? If you have questions, let's discuss in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe me, guys. Until next time.